You step on the gas pedal and your vehicle aggressively bangs into gear, your electronic traction control completely disables itself, and the transmission refuses to shift out of second gear, leaving you limping down the shoulder of the highway. When you hook up your code reader and see P0886 trouble code, your main engine computer is warning you about a serious low voltage condition in the transmission control module power relay circuit. Modern automatic transmissions are practically giant mechanical computers themselves, relying on a highly sensitive transmission control module to constantly adjust hydraulic fluid pressures and precisely time your gear shifts. To operate those heavy-duty internal shift solenoids, that transmission computer needs a massive steady flow of electrical power, which it receives through a dedicated power relay and several high-amperage fuses. When the voltage in this circuit drops too low, the transmission computer essentially suffocates and shuts down. To prevent the transmission from literally shredding its internal friction bands, the system defaults to a harsh mechanical fail-safe mode. Before you panic and assume you are going to spend thousands of dollars at a transmission rebuild shop, you absolutely must check the simplest and cheapest components first. Open your under-hood fuse box and locate the transmission power relay. I cannot tell you how many times a simple burnt-out $10 relay has caused this exact catastrophic symptom. Try swapping that relay with an identical one from a non-essential system, like your horn or fog lights. If your transmission suddenly shifts perfectly again, you just saved yourself a massive repair bill. If the relay and all the associated fuses are perfectly intact, you need to grab your digital voltometer and crawl under the vehicle. Carefully inspect the main wiring harness that connects the transmission computer to the rest of the vehicle via the controller area network, or CAN bus. These wires hang low to the ground and are constantly bombarded by road salt, flying rocks, and deep water puddles. A single broken wire, a loose ground strap, or a connector packed with water will starve the module of the power it needs, so verify you have solid battery voltage and a perfect ground before you even think about replacing the computer itself.